We're switching our thinking today to the other team. So now we're going to pretend we're a Louisville player and you're trying to decide right on the court really quick because you went to statistics in high school and you are super smart. And you're going to decide whether or not you should foul this guy. So let's think at first, if you don't foul him, what's going to happen? He has a 40% chance of making the shot, meaning you have a 40% chance of losing the game. If you don't foul him and he makes that shot, you have a 40% chance of losing. So your team, let's do that one right here. You have a 40% chance you're going to lose if he doesn't make that, or if he makes the shot, which gives you a 60% chance of actually winning, right? Because it's 60% chance he's not going to make the shot and you're going to win. And there is no chance that you're going into overtime because he either makes the shot or he doesn't. There's no such thing as overtime in this case. All right, so now let's go to the chance that that if you foul him, what are the chances that you're going to win? Well, we figured that out yesterday. So if we pull that up, winning is, we'll say 37%, losing is 19%, and overtime is 43%. Let's say 44. Okay, winning is 37%, losing is 19%, and overtime is 44%. Oops, I've got to switch my thinking, right? Because we're talking about them winning, the other team winning, which means we lose. Okay, but here's the issue. Is that over? No, it's not over, because think about if we go into overtime, we have a chance to still win. So one of us is either going to win or lose, right? So I don't just have a 37% chance of losing, because I have a 37% chance of losing at the foul line, but I also have a 50% chance of losing in overtime. So I have 50% chance that I'm going to lose in overtime, so I'm going to take 0.5 and multiply it by that 44%, because that's half of my chance of going into overtime is that I'm going to lose in overtime. So I have 37 plus 0.5 times, let's see, 0.37 plus 0.5 times 44%. So I actually have a 59% chance that I'm going to lose overall, because I might lose at the foul line or I might lose in overtime. Now, so my chance of winning is again 19% plus half of the chance that if I go into overtime, I have about half, an equally likely chance that I'm going to win or lose in overtime. So I'm going to try that, and that is going to be a 41% chance. So my question for you with this next one is, do you think it was a good idea to foul him? Looking at these chances or these probabilities of winning and losing, as a team of a Louisville player, do you think that I should foul him or not?